I'm on the Atomos booth, and who better to have with me than Peter to guide us through everything that Atomos are showing here at NAB. There's a lot to see. So Peter, where should we start?
So, brand new on-set monitor. So
Okay.
everybody knows our Sumo display. It's been used for years and years and years on set. You can use it for recording from cameras or confidence viewing or even multi-camera switching. This is the brand new version. It's not an upgrade. It's completely rebuilt. This is a 4K display. It has all the features from the old Sumo, which means you have all your overlays, your framing, your exposure guides and everything like that. But it also has all the new recording media that is inherited from the new Ninja line. So now we get the new CF Express Type B. You can record to external USB. It also adds in the camera to cloud stuff. So if you're recording from your camera and you want to do your daily straight up to Atomosphere or Frame.io or even just send it to Dropbox, you can do that. And the other really cool thing is all the camera control stuff from Ninjas come across to Sumo as well. So you can actually control all the same cameras as you can from a Ninja from a larger on-set director screen.
Cool. And from a practical point of view, I heard you giving it a bang early on. It's pretty solid, isn't it?
It's pretty solid. It's designed to be robust. It's a weapon.
Yeah.
Don't drop it on your toe. You'll be limping the rest of the day, but it's designed to be solid.
And plenty of utility ports.
Plenty of utility points, so it's got all these points. You can screw anything to it all around. It's got a Visa mount on the back, and you can also mount it on a stand. A lot of people use this on DIT carts, and if you're going to do that, you can actually take the feet off as well. So,
Cool. Okay,
very
gotcha.
usable. It's designed to be kitted up and set up the way that you need it for your production. And it also is DC powered too. So you can use a DC power supply, or you can use batteries, on a DIT cart or whatever your workflow is.
That's it. And should we be talking about this?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been expanding our ecosystem over the last year, and part of that is introducing our wireless video transmitter and receiver. So that's called the Atomos TX-RX system. So we can do HD SDI or 4K over HDMI up to 1,000 feet or about 300 meters. And from one transmitter, you can go to 4 receivers. So we've got a dedicated receiver here, or you can go to an iPad or an Android device as well, or you can even go to our 7-inch monitor that we announced at IBC, which is called Shinobi 7RX.
Yep.
That can receive directly from here as well.
Cool.
The other thing that we've been doing in the ecosystem is doing a bit more audio. So last year we announced our production headphones.
I was just had my eye on these.
Yeah, exactly. So now we've got a new production headphone. So again, direct connection for 0 latency. But the great thing about this, it's also wireless as well. So you can use it Bluetooth, so you can use it, listen on the way home from the production as well as using it on the production as well. So
Brilliant.
Nice headphones there.
Amazing.
And then the other thing that we've done is we've also got, this is the Shogun AV. So this is kind of the sister product of the Sumo. Now, we've been able to reduce the cost a little bit, so it's not built like a tank like the Sumo is. It's built into a rack mount setup, which means you can put it in an AV rack or a broadcast rack, or like what we've done here, we've actually put it into a case, which means you can actually bring it on set and use it like a Sumo. Okay, so it gives you that same workflow, a lot of the same features. Some of the things that are a little bit different, it doesn't have the Wi-Fi built in, but it does have the network capability. So you can still do network type of control. It also has wireless update of software and things like that over the network as well. The other thing that we've also done as part of expanding the ecosystem is last year we introduced our PTZ camera range and a PTZ controller. This year we've got an advanced PTZ controller. So this is a touch screen with a 7-inch display built in to control all your PTZ cameras. This can control up to 254 cameras from one control panel, right? It's got a touchscreen control, and it's not just our cameras, anybody's camera, because we use the same open PTZ standards used by all the camera makers. So if you've got an existing infrastructure that you want to add an additional, more powerful control panel to, this will fit into there, and you can mix and match the cameras as much as you like. So we're really, really excited about that.
Cool. And then we go on to monitoring,
Yeah.
which obviously you're synonymous with, but there's been an acquisition.
Yeah, there's been an acquisition. So, we're obsessed by monitors, and we've got even more monitors now. So we just announced that we've acquired Flanders Scientific, who are obviously a really well-respected brand for reference monitors. And they've now joined the Atomos family. So that means now that we have monitors from 5-inch on camera all the way up to 65-inch reference displays in the family, which means we can help, filmmakers, editors, and colorists in the entire ecosystem. And we're really, really proud of this acquisition. It's a really good match. The entire team is staying with us as we come and bring them into Atomos, and it means that we can have a really stronger support and product line moving forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you keep on moving forward.
Absolutely,
There's literally no stopping.
No stopping us, we're not done yet.
So everything that we've just looked at here, from the headphones to the Sumo, Is it available now?
Yeah, most things are available now. The Sumo will be coming out at the end of May. Headphones around the same time as well. Obviously, Flanders is immediately available. The Shogun AV is also available now as well.
Cool. And everything available on atomos.com?
Everything available at Atomos.com, and obviously your favourite system integrators can help you as well.
Amazing. Peter, that is a whistle-stop tour. Thank you very much indeed.
You're most welcome. Great to see you.